Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Another idea. Welcome to Business Online channel. Don't forget to make like and subscribe for YouTube channel. This because I give you a lot of idea to make money online and to make without skills. You can make money. How you can make money online? This video I will talking about application who give you chance to make video animation without any skills like this. This application names be name like this. Look, you can make I make Arabic. This is a simple application who can give you. It's simple like this. Look, you can give how you can make money. Look how how to make money online without skills. Look and search here, and you can change here uh, color and anything. You can change it for here like this, and you can choose anything here, and you can get right, left, all. Look, look, look. It's amazing application. You can get more. You can change background color and image and anything you want here. Stickers, like you can talking about business like me, and you can get this. Look, you can make it big or small here. It's amazing application. I let for you link in bio, and thank you so much. See you guys to another idea how you can make money online. Don't forget to make subscribe and like for this video. Thanks so much.